Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty. Want me to show you how to make foiled chip bags? Well, keep on watching. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do after you design your chip bag is group the layers that will be foiled and not foiled in separate folders. So I'm selecting my black text layers that I'm going to fold, and I'm clicking the folder icon to group them together. I'm going to rename this folder Text Laser because I'm going to print these layers using my laser printer. And just a quick tip, you want to make sure that what you're going to fold is in black. You don't want it to be colors and gradients, all black. Next, I'm selecting the rest of my layers and grouping them into a folder. I'm going to click the folder icon and I'm going to rename it Design Inkjet because I'm printing these layers using my inkjet printer. You want to print this first, so we're going to hide the text laser folder by clicking the eye icon. And as you can see, once you click it, you no longer will see the text in the center. Now we're going to go ahead and print this using our inkjet printer. Alright, the next part I'm just going to speed up because we're just printing on our inkjet printer. Just make sure your settings are on photo paper glossy. Alright, now we're going to print the text portion. So we're going to click the eye icon so we can see it for text laser folders and then hide the eye icon on Design Inkjet. We're going to go to File Print and we're going to put this in our laser printer. We're going to put the same paper in our laser printer. When I did this, I did change the quality to high definition text, and I used my multi-purpose tray. All right, as you can see, I put it in my laser printer using the multi-purpose tray, and then it's coming out of the top. So now you can see that it added the black text in the middle. All right, so I'm going to have all the supplies linked in the description. You're going to need foil, a laminator, and scissors. I got my foil from Amazon. I'm going to use this pink color. Instead of scissors, I'm going to use these Fiskars trimmers. They're so much easier. It just glides across. But yeah, when you cut it, just make sure you cut the small area so it only covers the text. Don't waste any extra foil. So my foil is only covering that text area. Then I'm going to cover it with just a blank sheet of paper. If you have a transfer sheet, you can use that. And I'm going to insert it in the laminator and watch it go through. This is really sped up, but it takes about 30 to 45 seconds to go through. And now it's time for the reveal. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to remove that blank cover. Slowing it down, trying to be dramatic. Okay, so you can kind of see where it's foiled. Let me see if I can get it closer so you guys can see. And I'm going to slowly peel that off. And everything transferred perfectly for this. I didn't have any splotches where it missed. And that's it. That's how you foil the paper for a chip bag. On our next video, we'll show how to make your chip bags resealable. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, make sure you like and follow for more.